Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this trophy replica for free so I could open it up for you, let you see it up close, and then just show you what it looks like to be displayed on a bookshelf. So just crack open the box. This is the one that actually came in. You can see it has a very thick foam in there to protect it. So you can see how it sits in the protective foam. It also comes wrapped in this plastic bag. And I'll walk it over to you and give you just a really close look of it. Hopefully you can see it there in my camera pretty well. Yeah, there you go. So you can see the gold color of it. Give you, just tap it so you can hear what it sounds like. You can see on the front it says, it has the Ballon word on it here, and then it has a spot for a nameplate. So, if you want to give it to your favorite soccer player or favorite family member soccer player or whatever, you can get like a sticker or a nameplate made for it to put on there. And then it has a really nice like velvet bottom here, so you can set it on top of your bookshelf and not worry about it getting scratched. So there you can see it looks nice sitting there, and again, sliding it with that velvet bottom on it, it slides easy, and I'm not worried about like scratching my paint or chipping it or anything. So again, that's it. You can get a good idea of the size of it and what it looks like and what it will look like sitting on your shelf.